spirituality is deeper than the surface itself. But that will take us time to get to the root of spirituality. But you yourself is spiritually healed once you can ask a question like that. Because as you can go to any doctor, I don't care what kind of cancer you have within you. If you have the cancer of the mind, you're totally gone. And you or yourself can heal you. If you have your belief that there is a power higher than you are, then there is nothing that will bring you down from there. I hope that could answer your question. Thank you.
Buenas tardes. Tengo una pregunta para el padre Cacho. Padre, nosotros, bueno, yo por lo menos he aprendido que la Iglesia Católica tiene algunas dificultades con nuestras creencias garífunas. Usted, como un amante de su cultura garífuna, con todo lo que sea de su sacerdocio por estar tan inmiscuido con nuestra cultura.
Good question.
Have you had any problem with archaeologists or your bosses about your involvement with our culture while you are away from the priest?
Ruma de Yingui, I'm Wishiga, Sarabu, Samina Ruma de Mamasabad. Mamasabad, Mamasum, waited.
The problems that are there, if we pay too much attention to the problems, then we're not going to advance, we're not going to move ahead.
We are Muskin and logo. Nihila Samina, no document to Maligilisi, in Mutetariana.
I also can tell you that the church already has some document where it says that she is open to be able to move on in this aspect.
Ali Garudia,
There are also people reading the books and putting their mind into it. So when there were people starting to do, they made some mistakes.
Budi babelu Eibu babelu lu pada ubungwa diga barufuda unyo barufuda honu ya lereba ya garuye yarifuna ya dongule tarufuda bailis.
When you look deep into the teachings,
sarab la finye garifuna logunle tarufuda bailis.
When you look deep into the teachings, you can learn that the Garifuna are not apart from what is taught in the religion.
Halene sarabu hamuga chafiti dina katele
Where do I see a lot of problems in this aspect?
E hanumuti hana sarau garif na.
I see it in Malala Karibu.
Kaya di kita lela me buhari laria bunyo hon apa has gudi hon hasani yenge ti apa habi ma dunita.
They probably learn it that way. They pass it on to their children, and then that's the way they did it.
Bila nuani hadi berbagai o somu bibiri bu o somu bumada bu samino teita.
No sé si han visto personas o familiares que piensen así. Probably you've seen relatives or friends who think that way.
Pero bu dita tia menos badamu ida kuligili siu badau bai tempo lani te mafia le o ita que tele mantega bai.
Pero en tus reuniones en la iglesia alguien te va a decir que esto es del demonio y no lo hagas. Within your meetings at church, someone will tell you that these are things from the devil and not to do it.
Le mo neria bai no ba apa ba miso hania no gaya bai la hongwa le no gusunte ba no ge hal da bu honi wagani lida ya no bai le lida li pe be lisuru kate o anugi na ba samina dice ti Hawaii no habi ma lida.
No se puede preguntarles si ellos están realmente viviendo lo que enseñan o están buscando otras cuestiones que son diferentes. You can then ask them if they're living what their Bible teach them or if they're living something else.
Naswa ni buiha mama irua yama yumu kwele bote bote
Hace 2 años,
digaba tu Manuela dabe voy a figura
Manuela, we were traveling together on a plane. Cuando viajamos, Manuela en el avión.
neria ga tu ni buiha ta no dice hadi na musu gora lidatima kana na chilu na garia no gaya la nada última nungo atino nigilis llama
Le dije de que ya estaba un poco retirado, como para meterme un poco más a fondo a la iglesia.
sí pero ni dina na garia ni
O en el pueblo.
kawo biya yumu wele apa aduga ha no ge kachu Alvarez teno ge apa aduga Alvarez
Why? Because 2 years ago they made it good.
aba nudi luego algume sonaba lenguas subudi nuti de gego yumala samina yen dina plasu
Then I went, yo fui para que se iniciara con una misa, so we can start with the mass.
gibete grigenye gibete tani wilis
There was a lot of people from the church.
samina hama logu mamala lut la dugun wale sient la gelada ufadi lungo dino katu
And they think that this is not something we should get involved with. The priest should not get involved with. Mucha gente piensa de la iglesia que no era correcto y que los pastores y que los padres no debían de mostrarse en ello.
kana dilu aba nudi
¿Qué
Yo
hice?
tenía.
Fui. What did I do? I went.
nega lu niewite ayeno hadim haluma fadi le yabo
I told my uncle, have you talked to the priest that is here?
luwa digni le mesia lenga nu ayeno hadim nu permiso di moyo
Le pregunté si ya había hablado con el padre de ahí para ver si se hacía misa y me dijo sí, pero no me ha respondido. I asked him if he has spoken with the priest that's there to see if we can do the mass there, and then he said, yes, I did speak with him, but he didn't give me no answer.
nega lu ago bane ko ayeno haluma aba nudi ayeno haluma fadi
I told him, wait, I'm going to go talk, and I went to speak with the priest.
lawe la ino habe fadi ne no ayeno hatiwa pero me muti no laut mama liruchu li shakate per aba legunu aba negunu
Yeah, we spoke, but he didn't tell me, in fact, what it's all about.
lula ludi ayeno haluma obis
So I asked him to go and speak with the bishop.
mudi tineu itayano haluma obis
My uncle did not go to speak with the bishop.
aba leredo kate lida